Hello. So today we are going to practice regrouping ones. So we are going to learn how to regroup numbers into tens and ones. This is going to help us with two-digit addition and subtraction later on. So stay focused and watch to see how we're going to do this. So I've opened up a Nearpod for me so that you can see what it's going to look like on your end. So the question says to draw the ones in the place value chart and then regroup them into tens and ones. So I'm going to look at my place value chart, and up in the corner, I see that it says 12 ones. So I'm going to look at my drawing tools, and I'm going to start by getting out my drawing tool. And I'm going to draw 12 ones into my one column. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and these are all ones. I know it's kind of hard to draw, so just you can do your best. So I've got 12 ones, and I know that 12 ones is too many for my one column. Because once I have a group of 10, I can move that. I can regroup it into the tens column. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to count out 10 of these ones. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to regroup these, and I'm going to make them a 10. And I'm going to put that green. So here's my 10. So now I know that I have 1 10 and 2 ones for 12. Okay, so there's my 12 ones that I've regrouped into 1 10 and 2 ones. So next, we're going to look at some matching pairs. And I'm going to match the numbers. So I'm going to start with 20. And I know that 20 is the same as having 2 10s. So I'm going to look for my 2 10s. Oh, I see it, so I'm going to click on it. And they've matched. Now I'm going to look at 10. 10 is just 10. 10 is only 1. So I'm going to look for 1 10. So I'm looking, and let's see. Oh, there it is. I see 1 10. So I'm going to match it. Next, I'm going to find 16. 16. How many 10s is that, and how many 1s? 16. Well, I know that I've got 6 1s and I've got 1 10. So that's what I'm going to look for. I'm going to look for 1 10, and I'm going to look for 6 1s. Oh, and I see it right down here. So I'm going to match those two. And you're going to do this for all of the matching problems. You're going to look 12 ones. I know that 12 ones is the same as having 1 10 and 2 1s. So I'd go ahead and match my numbers. I'm looking for how many 1s I have and how many 10s. If you can notice, you're always going to have 1 10. When we're counting from 11 up to 19, you only have 1 10. So you're looking at that ones column. So if I look at 19, that means I have 1 10 and I have 9 1s. Or the number 17, I still have 1 10, but then I've got 7 1s. So I'm going to go through. 14 is 1 10 and 4 1s. 15 is 1 10 and 5 1s. 11 is 1 10 and 1 1. And then 13 1s is the same as 1 10 and 3 1s. All right. So all finished with those. And then on the next slide, you have an opportunity to regroup again. So what you're going to do is you're going to draw your ones, and then you're going to regroup them into 10s. So go ahead and start with your drawing tool, and you're going to make your place value discs to make your 14 ones. And remember that these are 14 ones right now, and you're going to have to think about how you're going to regroup them. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then I want to regroup because 14 ones is too many ones to have in my one column. So I'm going to change to my green and I'm going to regroup. I'm going to count out 10 of them and I'm going to regroup them and I'm going to make 110. And then that means that I've got 110 and I've got 4 ones. All right. Have fun with your Nearpod and practice matching those pairs. Read them out loud to yourself as well because that's going to help you remember. Good luck.